Hi everyone, welcome to Nyangalude Yatra. Today's recipe is Christmas cake or fruit cake. The ingredients that we needed for this cake is 1 cup of all-purpose flour, half cup of mixed fruits, 3 large eggs, half cup of chopped cashews, 2 by 3 cup of soft butter, 1 cup of sugar, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of vanilla and some spices, cardamom, nutmeg, cinnamon and cloves. We also need half cup of sugar and 1/4 cup of water for caramelizing. First, all the dry ingredients mixed together. So we have 1 teaspoon of baking powder and a pinch of salt. I'm gonna mix this really well first. This all the spices. A little bit of sugar so that it will be easier to grind it. Mixed fruits that I already soaked in the rum. I'm gonna add 3 spoons of all-purpose flour. Mix it really well. We don't want all these fruits to go all the way on the bottom, so it helps not to go all the way to bottom. So here's that. You can even add all the raisins or any other nuts that you prefer, but today I'm just gonna add some mixed fruits and some cashews. 2 by 3 cup of butter, 1 cup of sugar. It's gonna take 3 to 4 minutes. This look good. Now I'm gonna add 1 teaspoon of vanilla and mix it. Now this part is really important. We'll add 1 egg at a time. 1 egg and mix it well. Then we'll add some flour, then egg, flour. Oh, instead of 1 egg there is 2 eggs. That's fine, it works. I'm gonna add a bit of flour. Mix it slowly. Egg, now rest of the flour we'll add. To add this spices earlier, but it's okay, it still work. I'm gonna add it now. It's already smelling so good. There we go. The batter looks so great. Ooh. I'm gonna do caramelizing, so I'm gonna add 1 cup of sugar. You can see that the sugar is started to caramelize here. Let's wait for this to be more caramelized. We are waiting for all the sugar to be melted. And one thing to notice is like we don't want it to burn. Once it burns, the taste won't be really good. It's coming out really good. So almost done melting. Like this color, it's good. Now this is the part needs to be really careful. So I'm gonna switch off the stove top, and I said you need to be really careful. Stay so far. So I'm gonna add some water and gonna mix it. So caramelizing it's not really a hard thing if you do it in the right way. So I'm going to mix it really well. I'm going to switch on the stove again. Okay. This is the color I really want. If you want to be a little bit more darker, you can keep it cook a little bit longer before adding the water. This look really good. I'm gonna switching off and keep it aside for this to cool down. I'm gonna add the caramel over here. I'm gonna add the cashews, half cup of cashews, and the fruits. Hold it. Let this look good. I'm gonna put a paper, parchment paper, put it inside. That make it easier for me to take it out in it. So parchment paper all ready. Now and give it a few taps. And it's all ready to bake.
Remember to subscribe our channel and like our videos.